To make an adjustable loop, you want to leave yourself about a 10 or 12 inch tail, and then with your working yarn, you want to set your tension hand up as usual. With your tail, wrap it around your thumb, going over the top, coming completely around, and crossing in the front. Take your tail and tuck it between your fingers. Hold it tight with a little bit of tension. Now with the cross here in front, what you're actually really looking for is the single loop at the back of your thumb. Take your hook, go under that loop, and then you will grab the working yarn and pull up a loop, and then make a chain. From here, grab that chain and pull your thumb out of the loop. The way to work into an adjustable loop is to stitch around the tail and the loop at the same time. So you take your hook, go into the loop, and work around both yarns. So I'm going to make a few single crochets on this and then show you how to adjust your loop. Now this is a really great technique to know, especially if you enjoy making hats from the top down, because you can really tightly close that crown. Okay, there's enough. So the way to tighten this loop is to fairly firmly hold your stitches and grab the tail yarn, and you just want to give that a pull. You can see how that is going to close that loop and how tightly that makes your center circle. I hope you've enjoyed learning this new technique, and make sure and leave a comment below to let me know what other tutorials you'd like for me to make. Subscribe to the channel and make sure to click that little bell for a notification of the next video. We'll see you then.